back to my mom's channel. I hope you like the video, and please subscribe to her channel and her Facebooks and all of her social media. So the thing that I'm gonna make today is like a mango smoothie that usually a lot of Mexican stores sell. So what you need is like tajin or like some kind of like salt like this. Then you need chamoy. These things, like these chamoy thingies, I think they have chamoy on it. And then you're gonna need a blender, some juice or real mango, and ice. You're gonna blend it up. I put it on the mode smoothie, and you're gonna need some cups. So first thing that you're gonna do is pour some chamoy. And then you're gonna grab the cup, then you're gonna roll it around down it.
Wow, you make it look like science. I'm your hype man, AJ.
And then you're gonna dip it in tajin. Oh yeah, you're gonna need plates. And you're gonna dip it like the sides. Or not, it doesn't matter. You can do whatever.
Or like this.
You wanna make it bougie.
Alright, let me see if I can get it up close.
That's gonna be a little bit hard, but you're gonna try your best. So then, what am I gonna do? Grab some chamoy and like pour it on the side a little bit.
Wow. AJ, you're amazing. You're a natural.
And then you're gonna take out your smoothie ice thing.
Be careful. You want me to help you? No, I think you got it.
There you go. And then you're gonna kind of shake it up. Then you're gonna pour it in. And it's gonna be kind of like a slushy. Oh good, you don't want it like that.
Wow.
If it gets like that, you could just like grab a spoon or something. Or like kind of like mix it up. Make sure it's clean though. And
Yeah.
then you're gonna add some.
It looks like a mangoneada. That's what it's called. Una mangoneada. That's what you're making.
Yeah.
Yum. I can't wait to taste it. Alright, what's next?
And then you're gonna grab your straw. Well, they're supposed to show on both sides, but you can just eat it. So, and then make sure your hands are clean. Be safe, guys. And then you're gonna just
Like that,
and then it's good. And then this is how we're gonna make it. And it's gonna be super yummy and delicious. And then we're gonna do the second one.
Yeah, one's for her, one's for me.
Yeah, and then we're gonna do the second one for me or my mom. So
Try doing it like
repeat
this.
The process.
Yeah. Oops.
Okay, kind of dip it. Then if you like can't like dip it all the way in your tahini, you can just add some more. Oh yeah, you can also add some tahini over when you're done. But you're gonna repeat. Add some more actually. And then you're gonna keep on dipping it. Repeat the process like you did before.
You like doing this?
Yes, I love it. So yeah.
Quarantine drink.
And then you're gonna do the same thing. Make sure it doesn't spill.
Oh my god, it is amazing. I haven't even tried it.
Nope, I forgot the chamoy, but it's fine if you mess up. You just add it. There you go. Look how yummy it looks. I'm gonna keep on doing this. There's like a big chunk right here, so I'm gonna smash it up.
So you know how to make mangoneadas, huh? We don't gotta go to the Michoacana no more.
And then you can just do the same thing. You're gonna have some of this. You put it in there, and then I'm gonna add my finished touch, some tahini.
Ooh, AJ! I'm loving it.
Then I'm gonna grab the same spoon, grab some chamoy from here, and like spill it over.
Oh, let me see. Let me get up close. Go ahead, do it. Wow. Awesome. Okay.
You're all done, and then you can drink it and enjoy it and eat the stuff.
Let me see you try it. Oh, here. You. Which one's yours? Which one's mine? Cheers.
First thing I would do is just eat this, cause
No, like the bottom.
yeah.
Mmm. Yum. I give you a 10.
Thank you. I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and follow everyone on my mom's social media and maybe mine, cause
Oh yeah, tell them about your Instagram. She has an Instagram. It's ajwence.
yeah, aj.cdxallstar. It's for my cheer or like cute photos. So peace out. Hope you like it. Bye.